So here's a look at the finished rack. The welds are kind of horrible, but they work. And as you can see, there's clearance, so this doesn't actually touch. So that piece of metal doesn't touch either the frame or the cover. And that's where the seat bolt is used. So this is a quick explanation of how I mounted the rack onto the Hypermotard. So first piece is that I figured out that there is a bolt hole here that was unused. So I created these brackets, one for each side, that I can bolt in with just the standard bolt. And we just get them finger tight. And there's one on the other side. Then the bracket, the rack goes in and sit it there. And we're gonna attach bolts to it with a washer on each side. And let's see, hopefully this is visible. So we're going to attach that and tighten the other side. Then we're going to use the same hole that holds down the seat to put in the standard bolt that the seat has held down with. So we put that in. And then once we get everything tightened up, because the bracket is made a certain way, the covers for the mufflers will snap back in place and then be bolted, and you can ride around with the covers and the rack. And I don't know, for me that was the best solution. And then I put these little clips on the rack so that I can just put a bag on the back and not have to carry a backpack. And here are a few photos of the build. That's it. Thanks for watching.